In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable microphone in Loom. First, open your preferred web browser and search for Loom. You can use any browser you like, such as Chrome, Firefox, or Safari. In the search bar, type in Loom and hit enter. As the search results populate, you'll see various links related to Loom. This step is important because it sets the stage for accessing the Loom platform where you can record videos with audio. Take a moment to ensure that your internet connection is stable for a smooth experience. Next, click on the correct link that leads you to the Loom website. You want to select the official Loom website to ensure you are accessing the right resources and not a third-party site. Usually, the first result in your search should be the official Loom website. Clicking the correct link is crucial because it guarantees that you are on a secure platform. Once you click the link, the page will load, bringing you to the Loom homepage where you can log in. Now, log into your Loom account. You will see fields for your email and password on the login page. Enter your credentials carefully and then click the login button. If you don't have an account, you can create one here, but for now, we will focus on logging in. This step matters because accessing your account allows you to use all the features Loom offers, including microphone settings. Once you are logged in, it will be easier to navigate to the settings you need. Once logged in, look for the icon on the left side of the URL. This icon usually represents the site's security settings, and it may vary depending on your browser. Click on this icon to open a menu that displays various permissions related to the site. This step is important because it allows you to manage your microphone permissions directly from the browser. You should see options for camera and microphone access. Confirming these permissions is essential for recording audio in your Loom videos. Next, locate the microphone setting in the permissions menu. You will see a toggle switch that indicates whether your microphone is enabled or disabled. Ensure it is toggled on. If it is off, swipe it to the left to enable it. This action is critical because it allows Loom to access your microphone, which is necessary for recording your voice during video capture. You will know it's enabled when the toggle changes color, usually to green. Seeing this change confirms that your microphone is ready for use. With that ready, you are all set to start recording videos with audio in Loom. Having your microphone enabled ensures that your audience can hear you clearly, making your videos more engaging and effective. Remember that adjusting these settings may vary slightly based on your browser or device, but the overall process remains consistent. You have taken all the necessary steps to enable your microphone, so you can confidently start creating your videos. Now you are ready to go ahead and make your recordings. This little setup step saves you a lot of time later by ensuring your audio is captured perfectly while you record. Thank you for following along, and happy recording.